So Dihybrid Crosses made easy. We are basically, instead of doing a dihybrid cross, we're going to do two monohybrid crosses. We've got two alleles for each gene. One codes for fur color, one codes for fur texture. White fur is dominant to yellow fur, and smooth fur is dominant to rough fur. We are going to cross two heterozygous individuals. So as a rule, we expect a 9:3 to 3:1 ratio. Okay, so instead of doing a dihybrid, we're going to do two monohybrid crosses to get the same results. So if we're crossing two heterozygous individuals, we can see that we will get homozygous dominant on both, one homozygous recessive, and then we will get two heterozygous for both traits. So our possible phenotypes are white fur with smooth, white fur with rough, or yellow fur with smooth, or yellow fur with rough fur. So instead of doing genotypes, we are going to multiply the possibilities of getting white fur with the possibilities of getting smooth fur. And we're going to multiply the possibilities of getting white fur with rough fur, yellow fur with smooth fur, and yellow fur with rough fur. All right, so get ready. And here we go. So instead of doing the 16 square Punnett square, I am going to take the phenotype possibilities of white fur, smooth fur, white fur, rough fur, yellow fur, smooth fur, yellow fur, rough fur. And from the genotypes, I'm simply going to multiply the incidences of both traits, and you can see my results up there, and they result in 9:3 to 3:1. So let me be more specific. Big C, little c, big C, little c, and big C all result in smooth fur. Big W, big W, big W, little w, and the other big W, little w all result in smooth fur. So I take those three from each Punnett square and multiply it, and I have 9. Now for white fur, I have 3 possibilities on the right Punnett square, and for rough fur, I only have 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. For yellow fur and smooth fur, well, let's say yellow, I have 1 possibility on the right Punnett square, the little w, and for smooth fur, I have little c. And finally, for yellow fur, rough fur, those are the homozygous recessive. I've got little w for yellow fur on the right, and little c for rough fur. So, instead of doing the dihybrid cross, I have done 2 monohybrid crosses and come up with the expected genotypic ratio, 9:3 to 3:1. So to make it more complex, if we added a third trait, this one we could say for height, whatever the organism is for height, big T for tall, little t for short, we could do the same thing, but just multiply the incidences of the dominant trait. In this case it would be 3, and the incidences of the recessive trait, and in this case it would be 1. Thus, a white, rough, and tall organism could have a big W, little c, big T, little t genotype. It can also be big W, little c, big T, big T. I hope this has helped. If you have questions, you can comment or ask me questions in class. If you liked it, please let me know.